Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we're going to check out the March Macy's Beauty Box. If you are not familiar with the Macy's Beauty Box, it is a monthly subscription. It's going to be $15 a month and it will have sample products from the Macy's Beauty department. There's usually a coupon in here that you can use towards future purchases in the Macy's Beauty department. There is usually a free surprise item that's in addition to the products that come in the box. So it's always a fun adventure to see what we get from Macy's. I don't know what the products are in here this month. I did see a tiny little picture, but it wasn't enough for me to really tell. So we'll be surprised together with this one. Before we do get into this box, if you enjoy this video as we go through it, please hit like. If you would like to see more videos and content from me, I would love for you to hit subscribe and join my YouTube family. And please comment. I'd love to hear what you think about these products. I always get good feedback from you guys, and today is no exception. I hope. I'd love to see what you have to say. I always love getting the feedback from you guys on the products that you've tried and ones that you want to try. So I hope today there's some things in here that you guys like. All right, so inside, Macy's box always unfolds. There's going to be a pink wrapper with all of our stuff in it. And there's two things in here. Usually there's just our coupon, and this is, and I'm going to let you guys use it. So first come, first serve. If you can see the code. Oops, it's upside, no, it's not upside down. Okay. So there's the code for this coupon. It's $5 off a $20 Macy's Beauty purchase. So first come, first serve on that one. And there is a QR code if you want to learn more about Elizabeth Arden products. I'm beginning to wonder if we have a takeover box because we have a lot of pictures. We never have a card with product information for Macy's ever. I've never seen that. If you guys are longtime Macy's subscribers, have you ever had a card with the products on it? So I kind of now know what's in here. That's kind of fun. So Elizabeth Arden Takeover box. That's really fun. So we're going to get into our yards of pink tissue paper. Okay, so they packed it kind of nestled in with each other. That's really cute. Ooh, this is pretty. We're going to start with this. This is what's going to be our surprise item. The rest are going to be Elizabeth Arden samples. And this is a facial sculpting gua sha massage tool. So it's heavy. I can tell that it's, oh, it's metal. I thought it was going to be stone. This is the first metal gua sha I've ever seen. So it's thinner. It's going to stay cool because it's metal. You could refrigerate it, I guess, if you wanted to. But this is fully sealed, and you just use it to run over your skin and clean those lymph nodes out and get your face a little less puffy. So we have an Elizabeth Arden gua sha. I don't know if that's something they sell or not. If it is, I'll look for a value and put it here in the corner. If not, it might just be a free promotional item. But the bag is really pretty. It's kind of a velvety feel snap bag, and it says Elizabeth Arden New York on the front, so that's really cute. So that is our first one. I'm just going to go through these the way they came. Our next one is the Elizabeth Arden 8-hour Hydra Play sample. So this is going to be a 5 ml sample. I'll look for the full-size versions and the values and put them here in the corner for you. But this is going to be a little tubey of the 8-hour Hydra Play. And this is the Skin Perfecting Daily Moisturizer. And it says hydrant. Well, that part's in French. So we have a little 5 ml of moisturizer. That should give you a good week's worth. These little samples are not meant to be a full routine and give you a lot of results, really, because there's not enough. But to let you try it, see if the product reacts well to your skin, if you like seeing what you get out of it, if you like the smell, all the things that are important, the way it soaks into your skin, let you try it without having to go full size on it. So that is our first of 5, I think. Yes, 5. The next one is the Prevage, I think is how you say that. This one is a multi-resurfacing soft cream. So this is going to be the full size, what it looks like. We have the little tubey, and this is probably going to be another 5 ml size. So that is sample 2 of 5. Ooh, okay, we have a retinol. This is a retinol plus HPR ceramide rapid skin renewing water cream. So that's what the full size would look like, and this is another 5 ml size. So these might all be 5 ml sample size, but so far they are. The next one is another Prevage. This is obviously from the line, I guess, is the Prevage line. Anti-aging, I think. The print is really small on there and I cannot read it. So I think that's what this one says, is anti-aging daily something. So I'll put what it is here in the corner when I can read it better. But another 5 ml sample. And our last but not least, ooh, how cute. So this is actually a 3.2 ml because we have capsules. And this is the Retinol plus HPMR Ceramide capsules. So this goes with the water cream. And then these two are the Provage. So we got 2 items from the Retinol Ceramide, and we got 2 from the Provage. And then we got the, I've seen this one a lot, the 8-hour Hydroplay on its own. So this came in the cute little tubey. How many capsules are in here? It looks like 7. So this is a week's worth. I'm sure you use 1 a day. So we have a week's worth probably of each of these products. So you can try these products for a week, see how you like it. And you have only paid $15 plus you get this really fun gua sha. So great box from Macy's. This was a fun one. It wasn't like super exciting and spectacular, but it was a very good box. And I know Elizabeth Art and Value is going to be great for this. So we for sure got our $15 and then some for this and get to try some really wonderful Elizabeth Arden products. I hope you did enjoy this video with me today. If you did, again, hit like, share the video with friends. Share comments whether you liked it or didn't like it. Even if you just want to say hi, I promise I will say hi back. And hit subscribe if you haven't already, and I would really appreciate that. For now, I want to thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.